What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we need to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. What is going on with the markets right now? Because as you all know, or as you probably know, the markets are dumping as we talk, as I'm doing this video, and I want to share with you my thoughts, where my next targets are, and where I expect we should see a bounce and all of that. So let's dive into this video. Make sure you give this video a like before we get through this, and yes, let's dive into the charts. So first of all, I want to show you the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hourly candles. So a few days ago, I posted this on my Instagram. Possibly I showed this on YouTube. I cannot remember, but I had this triangle here, of course, as you can see. And I said the next big move will be once we break this triangle. So obviously it broke down rather than breaking up. And as you can see here, we even broke down, confirmed the breakout. So we came back up towards this line and we got rejected. So now you can see we are dumping as we talk. So we currently, what's the current price of Bitcoin? 32.8. And where can we expect a bounce, or how much longer or how much more could we still go down? So let's dive into this and see what I think. All right, guys, as you'll see on the previous dump we had right over here, we came down to around the $30,100 level. And then previously we came down around 30,000 US dollars. So what I'm expecting in the short term is a bounce around these levels here, around, I would say around the 30,000 US dollars mark. Again, guys, this is not analysis for traders. This is more or less for hodlers or just people who want to know what's going on here. I wouldn't recommend you trading through this chart or analysis, because obviously lever trading is extremely risky and you got to be really on the dollar. But right now you can see we're having a little bit of a bounce, but this is not any confirmation yet. We did break the previous lows over here, so I'm expecting a drop to around somewhere these levels here. However, guys, I need to show you this on the daily chart, a very important indicator that has always been significant in all the previous bull markets of Bitcoin, and that is the moving average. So as you guys will see, this little blue line over here, and this blue line has actually been support through the whole bull market. So since we started climbing up in price, as you guys will see over here, we're around October. So this is really more or less when the price started to rise, when Bitcoin started going into a bull market. We've always been on top of this blue line. Now currently this blue line is around the 27.5 US dollar level. Now this increases, this goes up daily, but this indicator is a bit lagging, so that's why it's not, it doesn't move fast like many other indicators. So in other words, we could actually come down until this line, and if we bounce off this line, that's a very, very good sign. We can come down and actually come until this line. Now, of course, this line is slightly higher, moves up every single day. So let's say if we come down, we wouldn't come down in a straight line. There will be like, bounces and then slowly coming down. So that means this line would still be coming up. But if we retest this blue line here, this indicator, this will be actually a very good thing, because if we bounce off it, this will be a very, very good sign. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about with the previous cycles. So this is the 2017 bull run. As you'll see here, the blue line, this is the same moving indicator, and this is the 2017 bull market when we went up crazy. And you'll see this blue line here, we went up, we had a sharp correction, we tested this blue line, we bounced off it, and then we went back up. And as you'll see, once we broke underneath this blue line, you can see the Bitcoin price falling and going down into a bear market. So this is something that we can expect as well with this bull market, because this is a very important indicator from the past. And yes, as you guys will see, we've tested it actually a few times. You can see once here, once there, once there. So what we do have to remember, guys, is we haven't tested this blue line in this current bull market since the beginning. Going back to the current cycle, you'll see that we haven't tested it literally since the beginning of this bull market. So we can expect something like this, a touch, just to confirm that everything is in check. And if that happens, it's actually a very, very, very good sign. And if that happens, I will definitely be accumulating a lot more Bitcoin, because guys, as I said, I don't think this bull market is over, and it's very, very common for Bitcoin to come down, retest this line in a bull cycle. So I wouldn't panic yet, and I definitely believe that we do have more steam to go. However, in the short term, yes, we could see some corrections. So we could see our next level around the 30,000 US dollar level. If that doesn't hold, we could be going lower. So obviously we'll have to keep an eye on that. But guys, As I said, I'm not panicking. I don't think that this bull market is over. This is definitely good to shake out the weekends and more of the retail investors. So I will definitely be looking to accumulate more the lower we go. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum obviously has also been falling in price. Let's have a look here on the Ethereum chart. This is a 5-minute candle chart. The reason why I've been watching this chart is I actually have a trade with Ethereum, a short trade, a short position. And yes, you can see we obviously came up to the all-time high of Ethereum. We got rejected and now we're falling down. Now, one thing we do have to remember is, as I mentioned previously, Bitcoin is a leading indicator for all other cryptos. So no matter if Bitcoin is falling, typically all the other crypto will follow, or if Bitcoin is climbing, the same will happen. So at the end of the day, we do have to have that in mind. So guys, this is just a little update with the current price. Now, these things change all the time, but this is currently the way I see it. Again, this is not for trading advice. We'll definitely be accumulating more as we go down. Again, we do need to be careful. We do need to make sure we are on top of many different things, because not all the time when prices go down, it means it's good time to buy. So that's very important to know. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video here. It was just a quick emergency update video. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. We want to reach 10,000 subscribers this year, so please help me by just clicking that subscribe button. And one more thing, guys, if you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum through one of the best exchanges around with the best fees, and you'll also get free Bitcoin if you sign up through my referral link, click the link in my description, and you will get some free Bitcoin if you sign up through my link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.